Thank you very much.
Just firstly talk us through how you got on in qualifying.
I got first in mixed 2 and got I think 9 overall, so it's not too bad. The track is really different than what we're used to, so kind of feel it needs a bit more time, but hopefully we can make a good race.
Yeah, and are you enjoying your day today?
We're only out once now, so it's been pretty quick, only 25 minutes, so that's pretty quick, but hopefully we can get more comfy as the day goes on.
Yeah, and how are you feeling for the races?
I feel okay. Just gonna need a good start and be safe for the first couple of laps and then try to build some speed.
Alright, well good luck for your races, thank you. Now Leo, you qualified in first, how are you feeling?
Yeah, it's getting better a little bit. I was sick after kind of high squat long time. I had some virus kind of thing, and then I had some problems with my knee and ankle, but it's getting better now.
Yeah, and how's the track out there? It's pretty rough.
Yeah, it's getting rough, but some parts are really fast and some parts are really technical. So we see how it goes. It's sure it's not like a normal motocross track, so we see it.
And you ride a lot on sand, as far as I know, so this must be quite fun for you.
Yes, it is fun.
Yeah. Well, how are you feeling for the races then?
We'll see how it goes. I haven't been on the bike for a lot, so just had my health issues, but we'll see. I think I hope I get good starts and then ride my own race, not making stupid things.
All right, well, good luck for your races. Thank you.
Thank you.
Graham Urban, we're here at Weston Super Mare. We just had qualifying not long ago. Your position was 10th. How are you feeling?
Yeah, I'm actually feeling really good. The qualification doesn't really qualifying doesn't really justify my speed. It's just like I crash a lot, and I didn't even walk the track. I just kind of went out and had a bit of fun, and I thought the finish was at the start of the whoops. So I'm like planning my lap every time, and then I come in and I'm like, yeah, that was a pretty good lap, and then yeah, I seen that I was 5 seconds down, so I knew if I had to put a lap together, yeah, I was going to be thereabouts. So just really, I put in and made some changes to the bike, and everything was really, really good. And yeah, went back out and just I just lost the front end and went down. So it's a bit of a bummer, but it doesn't really matter. It's only qualifying. Obviously, Christian Waltley, he's hurt as well this weekend. So you know, it's hopefully I can take advantage of that and walk away at the end of the day with a points lead is what I'm looking for. But so yeah, 2 strong races, you know, stay on, and I think the first couple of laps will be the most important.
Yeah, well, sounds great. Good luck for your races, and we'll catch up after that. Thank you.
Cheers. Thank you very much.
after that?
Yeah, I felt great. I had good fun, and I felt like a little bit different than normal motocross, but really good. Deep sand and waves, and it was nice.
All right, well, thank you for chatting with us, and see you hopefully at the next round.
All right, thank you. We'll see.
Harry Killer, second overall for you today. How are you feeling after that?
All right. Like, podium is always nice, and second place. It's good. I enjoyed a lot of riding today, and the track was really nice. It got really heavy and tough, but I liked it. You know, like it's real sand. You know, like really deep bumps. So it's good. You know, and tunnel. He's not in championship, so it didn't matter actually the points. You know, but yeah, we had a small problem on the bike, but still it was good, and had a lot of fun. And I think I'm 1 point behind Watley now in the championship, so it's pity that I can't get the red plate on next race, but we have still 2 races to go, so let's see what it will be in the end of the year.
Okay, well, it was nice to see you in the podium, and good luck for your next races.
Yeah, thank you.
Brad Anderson, third overall for you. How are you feeling after that? It was pretty rough out there.
Yeah, I felt pretty good after the first one. Pretty bad start in that one, but the second one I come out swinging and end up with a whole shot, which is pretty good. The Tanon and Gulas, they just were so quick in that one, so I struggled a little bit with them, but I had my own pace going and set up a third. And I seen Martin coming, but I knew what I had to do to try and get third overall on the day, and with the 4th and 3rd give us the same points as Martin, which give us 3rd overall, so I'm pretty happy.
Yeah, all right. Well, thank you for chatting with us and good luck for your next races. Thank you.
Thanks.